In Ratlam, Congress workers took the street against Forest Minister Vijay Shah hosting the flag on Independence Day. On Thursday, protesters burned his effigy and clashed with police. They handed a memorandum to the governor demanding that the district collector host the flag instead. Congress leaders claim allowing Shah, who is facing criticism to lead celebration, would insult the Indian army. Police managed to control the crowd, but tension lingered in the area. The political row has added a sharp edge to Independence Day preparations in the city. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav has given police full freedom to act against anyone breaking the law. Speaking at the Dial 112 Fleet Flag Off ceremony in Bhopal's Kushabhau Thackeray Convention Center, Yadav promised to strengthen law and order across Madhya Pradesh. He flagged off emergency response vehicles and assured the force that manpower and resources will be increased. The CM said no one would be spared if found guilty of disturbing public peace. His remarks come amid rising political protest and unrest in part of the state. Patriotic celebrations have started early across Madhya Pradesh. In Jabalpur, swimmers carried the tricolor across a 10-kilometer stretch of the Narmada River. The water sports event drew crowds and cheers. Meanwhile, in Bhopal, boats decorated with national flags cruised from Lake Princess to Kolar over a 32-kilometer rally. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav joined part of the journey and chanted slogan of Bharat Mata Ki Jai with participants. These events have kicked off the Independence Day spirit with color, energy and unity across the state. 4 officers from Madhya Pradesh Police have been selected for the prestigious Distinguished Service Medal, while 17 others will receive the Meritorious Service Medal. The honor will be presented in Delhi on August 15 next year. Awardees include ADG Yogesh Deshmukh, Rakesh Gupta, Constable Devendra Kumar Kaushal and Head Constable Walter Henry Ekka. However, this year no officer from the state received a gallantry award. These medals recognize exceptional work and dedication in police service. It's a proud moment for MP Police, especially for the families of those honored. The long pending case on reservation in promotion has been deferred once more. On Thursday, Madhya Pradesh High Court heard the matter, but the state government sought more time. Senior Supreme Court lawyer C.S. Vaidyanathan and Tushar Mehta have now been appointed to represent the state. The court agreed and fixed September 9th as the next hearing date. The case has wide-ranging implications for promotion policies of government employees. With delay stretching on, affected employees continue to wait for clarity on their future roles and rights. Tehsildars and Deputy Tehsildars across Madhya Pradesh have been on strike since August 6, protesting the division of judicial and non-judicial work. As a result, over 3,000 revenue cases in Bhopal alone are stuck. Court proceeding and routine administrative work remain severely affected. However, in a show of respect for national celebration, officers have decided not to protest on August 15. The strike will resume afterward. Their pause aims to ensure Independence Day celebrations remain peaceful and undisrupted across the state. 5 farmers from Madhya Pradesh are set to receive a rare honor at Delhi's Red Fort during Independence Day celebrations. They have been selected for their outstanding work in cultivating medicinal plants. The State Medicinal Plant Board shortlisted them and Ayush Minister Inder Singh Parmar congratulated the winners. These farmers have turned traditional farming into innovative success stories. The recognition on a national platform highlights MP's growing role in herbal agriculture and sustainable farming practices. Panna turned festive as devotees gathered at Sri Baldauji Temple to celebrate Hal Chhat. This year, the state government declared Hal Chhat and Krishna Janmashtami as official state-level festival. Panna royal families Chhatarsal II performed traditional aarti, keeping centuries-old customs alive. The celebration included religious rituals, music and cultural events. MP BJP President V.D. Sharma, MLA Bijendra Pratap Singh and Collector Suresh Kumar were present. The joyful mood brought together locals and pilgrims in large number to mark the auspicious occasion. In a mix-up that quickly went viral, Indore Congress workers took a protest at the wrong location. They were supposed to protest outside the Election Commission office in support of Rahul Gandhi but ended up demonstrating at the electricity company's headquarters. The protest included slogan shouting and forming a human chain. BJP leaders mocked the error, saying leaders who can't find the right address shouldn't question democracy. The incident has embarrassed local Congress leaders and sparked chatter across social media. A heavy rain alert has been issued for the next 3 days in Indore and Ujjain divisions, while 8 out of 15 districts in these areas have received under 14 inches of rain so far. Others like Guna, Niwari, Mandla and Tikamgarh have reported over 45 inches. On Thursday, rainfall was seen in Indore and Narmadapuram while Bhopal remained dry and sunny. Farmers are hoping the showers will improve crop conditions. The weather department is urging residents to stay alert, especially in low-lying areas.